Na Gaisgich Òga, the Young Heroes, is a Gaelic mentorship program offered by Colaisde Na Gaisgich, the Gaelic College, in St. Anne's, Nova Scotia. Designed for youth aged 10 to 16, this program provides an immersive experience in Gaelic language and culture. Participants engage in weekend sessions at the Gaelic College, mentorship sessions held in community, and cultural activities aiming to foster a deep connection with Gaelic traditions and community. The program is open to Nova Scotia residents aged 10 to 16 with a strong interest in Gaelic language and culture. Prior knowledge of Gaelic is beneficial, but not required. Weekend sessions, held between September and March, offer students the opportunity for Gaelic immersion and cultural learning. Students stay on site from Friday evening to Sunday afternoon. Each student is paired with a Gaelic-speaking mentor. Regular mentorship sessions are integrated into the program, with group sessions at the college and individual meetings in the community. The program encompasses 190 hours of learning, including 100 hours of immersion, 60 hours of cultural learning, including history and folklore, and 30 hours of mentorship. Graduates are eligible for a grade 10 leadership credit upon completing the program. For more information or to apply, please visit the official program page, Na Gaisgich Òga, the Young Heroes